All right, let's look at some of the tools available for you in this test. The first one that I want to point out is the line reader. So when you click on the line reader, you have the ability to have a highlighted line as you read through the questions and also as you read through the answers. So that's very valuable. We can turn that off just by clicking it again. The next important thing that I'd like for you to know about is to highlight. Now, to highlight, you just need to click on the selection of words that you want. Click on this little icon over here to the right, and then click on a color. Highlighting is very valuable when it comes to keywords within questions to help you find and identify the correct answer. The next set of tools that I want you to look at are the periodic table and the formulas and the calculator. So these are going to be used in some of your questions, but it's a really good idea for you to know where they are. Periodic table and formulas can actually be printed for you, which is very valuable. This is the periodic table. In this periodic table, why it would be nice to have it as paper is because if you were able to circle the elements that were in question, then you would be able to have a better idea of what it is that you're looking for and identifying. Important to know too that this periodic table has a legend. It's got your average atomic mass, the symbol, the element's name, and the atomic number, which of course is going to be the number of protons in that element. If we go to, oops, let's X out of this, the formulas, I want to make you aware of what is on this formula page, just so you know before you go into the test what's actually available for you. So here we go. We have formulas about force and energy, and here they are, potential energy, and all of the variables are, oh, that's not very pretty, but all the variables are identified over here, which is very helpful. If we move on, we have motion formulas and variables identified. We have Kepler's laws, which are next. Waves and light is available. In experimental design, we have the formulas to find percent error and percent yield. Then you have all of these constants. So you do not need to memorize Avogadro's number or Planck's constant or any of those. Acceleration due to gravity is there. Avogadro's number is there. So these are all going to be very helpful. You may or may not have questions with these, but just know that you have this to help you. Finally, there are some conversions and some units available for you in this reference sheet. Okay, what else? The calculator. Calculator is going to be a standard calculator that is here. About this calculator, it does show you your each equation that you use is going to still be there, so that's helpful as well. Finally, you are able to take notes on a notepad. If you take notes on the notepad and you save it and you go to the next question, if you happen to go back to this question, you will find that your notes for that question have been saved. And last but not least, you can flag your item for review. So if you look at their questions, all of them in the upper left-hand corner, if you have flagged one at the very end of the test, you can come back to it. Like this one, for example, I didn't finish it. So doing that is very helpful, and knowing that you can view all of the questions up there is also helpful. You can also zoom in and zoom out. All right, so that's an overview of all the tools on the CAST test for you.